Dramatic irony is a literary device where the audience or readers are aware of crucial information that characters within the narrative do not know. This creates a sense of tension, anticipation, or even humour, as the audience understands the true significance of events or dialogue while the characters remain unaware. For example, in a story where a character unknowingly moves toward danger, the audience's prior knowledge heightens the suspense. Dramatic irony often deepens engagement, as it invites readers or viewers to connect more deeply with the unfolding story. One key characteristic of dramatic irony is the audience's foreknowledge. This means the readers or viewers possess information that some or all of the characters lack, often revealed through the narrative structure or exposition. This knowledge creates a gap between the audience's understanding and the character's perspective, which becomes central to the tension or humour in the story. Another characteristic is its ability to evoke strong emotional responses. By knowing more than the characters, the audience may feel suspense, pity, frustration, or amusement, depending on the context. For example, watching a character make choices based on incomplete information can make the audience empathise with their plight. A final characteristic is its frequent use in tragedies and comedies. In tragedies, dramatic irony is often used to heighten the sense of inevitable doom, such as when a character's actions unknowingly contribute to their downfall. In comedies, it can create humour when characters misinterpret situations in ways the audience knows to be incorrect. Now let's look at some examples. One famous example of dramatic irony occurs in Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. The audience knows Juliet is alive when Romeo believes she is dead, leading to a tragic chain of events. This knowledge creates a sense of helplessness and sorrow as the audience anticipates the heartbreaking climax. Another example can be found in Sophocles' Oedipus Rex. The audience knows from the beginning that Oedipus is the cause of the plague on Thebes, yet he remains unaware. His determined investigation into the truth becomes ironic and tragic, as the audience watches him unknowingly condemn himself. In a more light-hearted example, in Disney's The Lion King, young Simba believes he is responsible for his father Mufasa's death. However, the audience knows it was Scar's treachery. This difference in understanding adds emotional depth and builds tension as Simba grows to learn the truth. Dramatic irony differs significantly from verbal and situational irony. Verbal irony occurs when someone says the opposite of what they mean, often to convey sarcasm or humour. For instance, if a character comments, "What a lovely day," during a storm, they are using verbal irony. In contrast, dramatic irony focuses on the audience's knowledge, not the character's words. Situational irony, on the other hand, happens when events unfold in a way that is opposite to what was expected. For example, a fire station burning down is situational irony because it contradicts the assumption that such a place would be safe from fire. Unlike dramatic irony, situational irony does not rely on the audience having prior knowledge. Instead, it surprises both the characters and the audience.